Hi, Suzanne from Flatwearable Artisan Jewelry, and I would like to show you our newest classic kit. This is a mini kit, scaled down version for people who are on a budget or people that aren't really sure that silverware jewelry is for them. This is a low-priced kit with limited parts, but it still allows you to do a lot of different types of bends. So this is our new Bender Classic Model V2. I'm going to show you what you get in this kit. We have a high density nylon forming block. This is where you're going to make your smaller bends, like your rings. We have steel pins. We have a large steel pin that comes with that. It also doubles as the holder for this large roller. We have the matching forming block for that large roller. This is for making larger bends like you would need for bracelets. We are giving you a medium size forming pin, and then we're giving you one of our most popular pins, and that's our mini pin, and that's for making your smallest bends. Things like pinky rings, toe rings, small pendant bells, anytime you want to make a small bend. And we have removed the attachment system, and we are giving you our press bar. This bar replaces the bar that comes in the 1-ton arbor press, which you provide. And it's going to go into your arbor press. This is what holds your steel pins. I have a set screw here, and that just keeps the pins from backing out while you're working. So you're going to get all of these great tools. This is going to allow you to do a lot of different kind of bending, and it is also an upgradable kit. So in the future, if you decide that you do like silverware jewelry and you want to do more, we have additional parts that are available. We have additional pin sizes, additional roller sizes. We also have a larger forming block. We do have replacement parts. When your nylon parts are worn and you would like to replace them, we have those as available as replacement parts. One of the items that you can get in the future, should you decide you want to upgrade, are our metal stamping attachments. They come as a set of 2, and they attach with a magnet to your bar, and what they do is hold your metal stamps in place so you can stamp on metal. Those are available as an upgrade item should you choose to do that in the future. So this is a really amazing kit. There's over $300 worth of tools here. The cost for this is $195, and if you are interested, you can order them directly from our website at www.flatwearable.net.